Well. Here I go again, guys. Here I am, following the trend of this Lasko Cool Colors blue box fan. Or should we say sky blue box fan. Since, like what Tori said in one of his videos, since these new fans and new colors are getting more views than the old one, than the old fans, vintage fans, etc. Why not see what's good about these products nowadays? So I picked this up today from Walmart. I was hunting it down because the closest Walmart to me didn't have that in stock, didn't have this fan in stock. So I went to a little farther one. Now I had to hunt this down because in the first Walmart, which is weird, the first Walmart had all black Cool Colors box fans, and the Walmart that I was at only had these, just all blue. So it was a handful there. So, and honestly, I did test this fan. So the quality actually improved, and that says a lot because I don't normally buy these Cool Colors fans. Like, I only have one in black, but I figured blue started to grow on me a little bit, so and I just figured, like, why not try to find a blue fan? So here it is. So let's get into it. Can't really see it, but it says Lasko Cool Colors. Yeah, this label's in the way. Blue box fan brings coolness, comfort, and a color to your space with a Cool Colors box fan. There goes the specs. 1,725 CFM, weather resistant steel body, they're energy efficient memory system, and highly portable. They're proudly made in the USA of domestic and imported parts. Lasko promise since 1906, so it has been over 100 years, and a 2-year limited warranty, better than the 1 year. #1 fan brand in the USA. That's true. And up here, it says Cool Colors, model B20310. Blue plug. Oh, wrong side. Innovators and Lasko, innovators in home comfort since 1906. Classic logo. Cool Colors, the blue one. And then the specs. And here goes the fan itself. I'm on the instructions. They gave me two for some weird reason. Technically the same old instructions. They just stopped using them as stickers. As you can see. And the other one says the same. Here it is. It's kind of a soft blue color, soft baby blue color. I like it. This could go well in like in a child's room or like in a baby's room. But and especially college rooms too, college dorms. But as you can see, Lasko. The quality of the blades. Yeah, it looked like they improved. Let's go to the side. The paint kind of does not look bad. They did pretty good on this one. In the back. All blue everything. No white feet, no white handle, and no white knob. And yes, this does have that new weird square motor now. One day I'll take this fan apart and see how it looks. But I don't know, for some reason it looks like you can't even really use the motor shells for anything else. Like for older motors, if anything. So that sucks. But there's plenty of Lasko fans out there that have that kind of motor now, the old ones. So we had them. So without further ado, start it up on low. Pretty quiet on low. This fan is a little slower than my black cool colors from like 2014, but I guess its speed is acceptable. It's going out a decent breeze too, for what it is. And here's high. I might use this fan on high a lot. Throwing out a decent amount of air. It's not as off balance. Yeah, it's not, the balance is not that bad, but it still shakes. So far, not bad for this fan. I'll say this. In 2024, as we see fans deplore and like quality and, you know, the style of the motors and the smell of the motors and just basic flaws you see in the modern day, I say Lasko this year, it's been doing pretty good than what it's been. Because honestly, I would have expected, one, for the box to be all messed up. Two, the paint looks like it doesn't have that many blemishes into it. Like, there's finger spots, but you don't really see any scratches or anything. 3 is kind of durable, more durable. And 4, I just feel like, you know, Lasko tries different colors all the time and they successfully get sold in the first year. So, and the motors, I would say they're kind of strong, but kind of, you know, they're still weak at the end of the day. But this one holds up pretty good, even though it doesn't have the startup sound, unfortunately. But I feel like it's a decent motor. And another thing too, a lot of people don't recognize, but they changed the bottom feet of this fan. The bottom style of this feet. I guess to make it more sturdier. But and the feet go right on too, so that's good. But yeah, for this fan, I give it like a solid 8 out of 10 for what it is in 2024. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video I have in store for you guys. Thank you.